Hello everyone. I decided to make a video where I'm gonna answer the question, why would you learn to design with Blender when you're not into design that much or at all? And I was inspired by one of the videos of Louis Rossmann on YouTube. He owns this store and his store got too small for his business and now he's on the hunt for a new building. And in my opinion, a proper planning will save you a lot of time. And in case of remodeling a building or furnishing it and stuff, yeah, if you could design a little bit into Blender, for instance, which is not that hard, yeah, that might be a huge time saver. You could relay your ideas better to other people and you can gain some more insight in how you would like to decorate it and all. I dedicated a 2-hour video on Blender, how to model in Blender at least. If you only would look at, for instance, half of it, designing in Blender for this kind of purpose, just crude modeling with some basic tools. So based on Louis Rossmann's hunt for stores, I was taking a look at one of his videos and he seemed kind of keen on this particular building. So I would like to show you how easy it could be, and I'm going to base this design on what I see here. And if I look on for a bit, there's this desk here and a display in front. Yeah, so I could do that. So based on this video or this particular image, I'm just guessing that this building is about, well, a little over 4 meters wide and, well, I think over 8 meters long, but I'm just going to make it 8 meters or so. Yeah, sort of like this. And I'm going to take a look at the front side and I'm just going to put in the door. I just used a knife tool, K. And let's say a door like this. And a window. Pretty simple stuff. Another window. And I think one of them is a little bit bigger too though, but okay, I could be mistaken about that. Like this. And another door in the back. Just cutting it out. Simple. Like this. So that's the basic setup. And it's going to be a crude model, but yeah. I'm just showing a bit what you can do with little tools already. Face selection, X, delete faces. So that's the first part. Now I'm just going to select everything. Snap selection to grid. Yeah, this door is not even 2 meters high, so that's not correct. It should be a little bit bigger like this. I'm going to snap my cursor to it. Scale the rest, Z0. Upwards like this. And this door could be a little bit wider too. Somewhat like so. And this one is not really. And I could move these a bit further to this direction. Now they're a bit sized evenly, I suppose. Yeah. So that's the basic design. So now I'm going to select everything, face, solidify faces, and now we have a wall. Oh, that's pretty simple. Yeah, there was this thing here, an indentation or something. Let's just do that too. I'm just gonna say Ctrl R, like this for instance. Snap my cursor, scale Y a little bit smaller, and I'm going to extrude this area, something like that. Move it over a bit further here, I don't know. Sort of. Anyway, that's that. There was a cabinet here. again the knife tool. Okay, enter, and well, let's say knife tool like this. It was all the way over here somewhat. Yeah, front view. Let's snap this to grid, and let's move this over here. Maybe it was a bit bigger, I don't know. Anyway, like this. Yeah, I'm gonna snap my cursor here. X, delete faces, extrude scale 0, fix. So that's that. I'm gonna select this. I inset faces. Hey, wait a minute, is that? Yeah, that's correct. I inset faces a little bit like so. Extrude X along X. Front view, it's a bit too far. G, X, yeah, sort of like this. There was a bar there. So let's duplicate this, and let's say Shift Z along the, let's move it along the floor somewhere like so. Oh wait, there was an indentation as well here, display. Let's just say, for instance, something like that. Display, and the bar, well, G, duplicate, and it was right next to the display as well. Let's fix this. Snap, extrude scale, snap selection to grid, something like that. Extrude, I don't know, it's not that important. Fix, it's just to show extrude, see how easy it can be. So that would be the setup of the store. Now you can take a look at it and say, hey, I would like to a desk to go there, for instance. I'm just gonna draw a desk, duplicate. A desk would be 80 centimeters wide or so, well, in metric system, and 1.60 meters or something like that. It might be bigger, I don't know. Extrude Z, 90 centimeters high or so, 80, 90, yeah, something like that. 90 centimeters, then duplicate, scale X a little bit along Y, so I'm sorry, something like that. Scale Y, sorry, X, like that, and then face, intersect boolean. Here's a desk. Let's put a filing cabinet next to it, or a cabinet or something. GZ, for instance, like this. Not as wide as the cabinet, as wide as the desk, a bit less like that. Extrude. W, subdivide, several cuts. Something like that. Yeah, sure. Let's do it like this. Alt E, extrude individual faces, and I'm going to select individual origins to scale them. Scale Z. Now extrude like that, and we have a filing cabinet. It's that easy, with a couple of simple tools, and you can learn that really fast. So even if you're not a designer, you could benefit a little bit if you learn a bit of Blender. As for this video, I hope you learned something.